Hey up Changs, we're here this morning on plots 83, second lift, and we're going to start from this movement joint, and we're going to run all the way around here, get it up to window height, which is that. We're going to run all the way down here and up into this window reveal on this side there and finish at that point, and then we're going to go around and do all the other side after. We've set up the profiles on Saturday, and that's how we do it. Clamp it down to the scaffold. Just in have to have a recheck of these, make sure they're still plumb. And then once we've done that, we've got some arches to find for these front windows, there, there and there. And then I think these are all arches across the top of here. There's no window in this side, and the only thing we'll have to do is put some soldier course over that far window over there. I think there's two windows I can see there. Can't get any laths down to this pole because this is in the way for this profile, so what we're going to do is use a BT Engineering top clamp, and basically this gets hooked onto there, onto the blocks like that, and then this will slide across that way like that. All I've got to do is move this over a touch. May as well do it now, I'll show you. Slacken that off so it attaches to the block. Do this one-handed. Right, now we've got plenty of length. Push that down. Now that's attached. Tighten these up. Two clamps. That one's nice and tight. Do the same for this one. Right, they are attached. Now this one will slide in and out to give us the length. Put this one on here. Like so. And then that one, is that right or is that wrong? That's wrong, that is. Other way around that one's going. Wanted bringing out that way first. That's it. So that goes on there. That attaches to the profile. We'll attach that now. And this way you can spin it out and in. So all I need is Sean to come and do the level for me. And that's ready. And then all you do is pull your line straight off. There's no rush today, is there, Sean?
No rush today, boys.
We've only got one tub of mortar on site. So let's get a little bit of the action. Oh.
This is really going nationwide.
So you were on this about it, and you made a good account of yourself as well.
The general consensus on social media is a lot of people say no, it's come off the front of the lorry, but I would challenge that to say the number
Beautiful.
of passed on the M4 both today, yesterday, and the rest of the week. I've not seen one with a soft toy on the front.
Well, not since
Oh yes. And if you think this doesn't give you full pitch, just have a look at them. Completely full.
I don't think it does, no. So
Full everywhere. Isn't it, Sean?
Bro,
Nice new fresh trim, bro.
nice trim and that.
You look like
Alan's gone.
you've been working in a car wash, Shag.
What do you mean?
Right, that's the last two bricks being laid on this side. It is 10:53. tub of mortar has managed to get us, well, we're a course and a half shy of finishing this side, ain't it, bruv?
Yeah.
And what we've done is we've just took the corners up on each end so we can take these profiles off and joint it all up. Same with that, racked it round to the movement joint so as we can take the corner profiles off. Now it's a waiting game for mortar, so what we may do is get this jointed up now, which will take us 10 minutes or so, and then we'll look to probably go down that other side, isn't it, Sean?
Yeah.
See if we can get something loaded up for a first lift.
Yeah.
Get a new slab.
Yeah.
Well, that's all we can do so far.
Done.
Right, so this is where we got to. We've gone down this side, all the way down here, racked it back ready for the lintels for these two. That's 13 courses high. All the way around this, all the way around the building, to be fair. Left that down for lintels, that one down for lintels. In the internal, all the way down here, round that. It's dark now, as you can see. All that gable in, all the way down and down there. So yeah, not a bad shift, to be fair. Hey, now just getting the tools in the van.